Hey there! We come back.
Who are you?
We're MelGeek. We've launched Mojo 68, Mojo 84, and Pixel. People really love them. We bring you Modern97 now.
Cool. Tell me more.
Alright, Modern97 comes in 2 styles. We call one Napa. It sounds like a fashion show, beautiful and elegant. The other is slate, just like modern architecture, calm and mysterious.
Anything else?
Sure, you know how it is. Some things may look good, but they're not really practical. We got it. So, you see, more compact layout, ergonomic design, solid base, and the gasket.
More?
A 4000 mAh battery, 406 days of battery life. That means 1 charge, 1 year.
Wow, not bad. How's it?
1 millisecond response time. And use it for gaming. That's feel good, right?
Yep.
One more thing. We are officially introducing the Hive.
Hive?
Not that Hive, it's the Hive. We've packed a lot of things into it. You can customize key functions, RGB lighting, shortcuts, and even racker macros. Plus, check your battery health, test your keyboard and mouse, and pick different working modes. All in all, one software handles everything. Oh, and by the way, the package of Modern97 is made from recyclable materials. Make it from nature, back to nature. That's Modern97, a 97-key compact and programmable mechanical keyboard for productivity and fun. We're seeking support on Kickstarter now.